Okay, so we had the FOMC announcement at 2. I'm still bearish. I mean, so here we see the morning. What happened is that it went to this city, tie down for that. But I'm interested in this because this is like a breaker block and a fair value gap here. This is an order pairing zone for NQ to go down lower, in my opinion. I think we can go down to here, CE of the weekly wick, and ES is even more looking like it wants to go for previous month low. It's tough to figure out like where I want to short this. I think I can just go ahead and short this, honestly. I'm gonna wait maybe like one more push into here. I'll think about it. Ugh, gross. If this gets broken below, I'll just have to. Honestly, I want to short like this high. This is your. The reason is because like the stop is permissible. That's the only reason why I'm like okay to go ahead and do. Let me just go ahead and short this 20-point stop. The 20-point stop, and I'm just gonna do one. Okay. That's basically what I'm just gonna do. And I think we're gonna go down to the CE of the weekly wick, TBH, 957. Yeah. So like what I do in these situations, I want to short this. This is a liquidity grab here. Okay. I don't even think I did that well. It's good enough for jazz. Good enough for jazz. Like, yeah, sure, we just took this low, but like, we're taking more liquidity here. This narrative is way stronger. This like low, high, lower, low. Breaking the lows, fair value gap, order pairing zone. Yeah, my stop should be 81.50. Okay. Alright, 84.50, whatever, it's fine. I'll just put 82.50. I like to put it like one more point above for like whatever people say. Like, honestly, I've been stopped out for like one tick. I like this now, right? Taking this low, I don't think we should retrace anymore to be honest, but totally can. But it would be nice if it just bleeds here. Right, even if it gets there. I mean, I'm thinking I'll get, like, this is gonna do maybe one more run and then drop lower. Okay, so let me just think. Yeah, the candle, yeah, we could have another 5-minute candle higher here because this candle didn't like close above this high. I'd like it to close above the high, and then that would be a better order, bearish order block in the future. Could get ripped through, honestly, right here, but we'll see. Okay, this candle did close above that, yeah, so. I'm thinking this is the high. That little run. We'll have to see. Am I catching a turtle soup? I guess so, but I don't like turtle soups. I don't like a turtle soup. I'm allergic. Okay. Alright, let's see if I get stopped out. Let's watch the actual chart here. Okay, so price stops me out. And I'm looking at the chart, noticing these wicks on the 5-minute. decide to look on the 15, and then I notice that there's a 15-minute fair value gap that price just reached into. And it was okay for that to happen. So yeah, I decide to re-enter, especially seeing how price rejected that area. Low, high, and a lower low. This is a bearish breaker. I go short within it. Price is all balanced here, so I can actually put my stop here. 100.5. I'm gonna put like 102. Okay, and we have our stop here. And I think we go to lows. I think we even go to C of the weekly wick. Okay, so I'm in 2 contracts short. I had 3 contracts because I accidentally pressed the button twice, but I quickly reduced it back to 2. And I put 1 partial at a bullish order block, which got filled there. Here, I am noting every time we break a low, we create a displacement in a fair value gap. So that is our order pairing zone because buy side was not yet offered there. So when price comes back up into those fair value gaps, I'm watching for it to bleed back down, and then I move my stop down lower every time it breaks a low from there. Here I'm taking a fib of the manipulation leg. That was the 3rd drive that initially stopped me out actually, and noticing that the negative 2.5 standard deviation lined up with the CE of the weekly wick. And notice here, when we break the low of the day, we created a displacement, a fair value gap. So that's why I was willing to hold on to my trade a little bit longer for that runner, and it ends up filling me.